Hello, everyone. My name is Mario Champion. I'm a product manager here at Liquibase. Today, I'll be talking about using remote files on Amazon S3 with Liquibase Pro and why that is useful. Let me start off by sharing my screen. So, like I say, this is a Liquibase Pro capability. So you'll need the latest Liquibase along with a Pro license key. If you do not have one, you can get one with a free trial. You will also need the Liquibase S3 extension. You can head over to Maven Central and do a search for that. And then you will need to drop it, like you do all extensions, into the lib folder. So you can see it lives there. You will, of course, also need Amazon S3. That's an exercise left to the reader. I won't show you how to set that up. But then I will show you that I have set one up and I have some files in a bucket. The other thing that you will need to set up is you'll need to inform Liquibase about your secret access key, your access key ID, and your region. And depending on how your S3 organization is set up, there might be additional things like session tokens and things like that. So let's jump into a command to show you how simple this really is. So what you're looking at here is a flow command, and I want to show you how to specify files that are in S3. So for changelogs and snapshots only, you do need to split the path to the file across the search path and the file's property. This is because the changelog file path is a key in the database changelog table, so that needs to stay the same. So you'll see in my search path, I have my base here, S3 MMC20. That's a bucket I have where I have this file. And you'll see in the defaults file example here, I have in that same place a Liquibase properties file, and I'm calling out the full path to it. And you'll also notice that I have a completely different bucket, S3 Mario Champion, that has an advanced flow file. So this being split up across there shows why this is useful. I could have a DBA team that controls a flow file or a check settings file. I could have a different team that controls my properties based on where I am in my pipeline. And I'm able to centralize all those and standardize them across the whole organization and use them remotely without every developer or every environment needing to keep a copy. So let's see an example of this command in action. So this is that same command we just saw there, and you'll notice that I'm in a directory that has no files. And if you're familiar with Liquibase, you know that is not normally how it runs. So I'm going to run this command. What it's doing is not terribly important for this demo. It is running a set of flow files, which are running checks run and updates and validates and creating output log files. I do want to show one interesting thing. If you're not familiar with flow files let you orchestrate a bunch of different Liquibase commands and shell commands. In this case, I'm calling an external flow file from one flow file, and it's living in a separate bucket. And I've just simply put the direct path there. You can see there that my command was executed and all of my steps were run, and it was all done remotely. So this is really a great opportunity for centralization and standardization across an entire organization. And that was a lot of patience. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.